Yeah, what is that? What is that? What's tomato for? Okay, พี่แตม help teacher มาตูม what she wants. Is very good. Tomatoes. What else do we need? Let's go. What is that? Matang, what is that? What? Ham. Ham. It's ham. What are you cooking today? Spaghetti, is it? Wow. So what do we need here? What is it? Do you know what is it? Okay, repeat after me. Butter. Very good. Okay, so say butter. Very good. Ketchup. Yeah, Matang, you got ketchup. Good job. Which one do you like? You can choose. What kind of pasta do you like? How about this one? It's so cute. Wow, you got a lot of things. Are you a chef? Yes? Yeah, so you're gonna be a chef, right? Today you're gonna be a chef? Yes? Okay. Where is onion? Where is onion? Where is onion? Okay, Vitam, say onion. Very good, say onion. Good job. Okay, Vitam, come on. And go. Yeah.
ที่ทุกวางสินค้าสามารถวางที่ทุกวางสินค้าสินค้า
Yes, good.
กรุณานำสินค้าชิ้นสุดท้ายออกจากจุดรวม
Very good tomato. It's
Okay.
you cut it like this and put it in the dish. Okay.
Why?
Okay, good. Okay, understand? Tell me. The ingredient, right? Second step is fry. Okay. Feel it?
Yeah.
A little bit, a little salt. Macaroni. Stir. Can you stir it?
Yummy.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Okay. Pour it in your